Today we're looking at the top 3 best camping saws. I've done the research and found a set of must-have options for different needs, whether you're focused on price, performance, or everyday use. I've got you covered. Links are below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Growit folding. Camping saw. Camping trips become a whole lot easier when you have the right tools with you, and this versatile folding pruning saw is one of those tools you'll be glad to pack. Whether you're clearing branches around your campsite, cutting small logs for a campfire, or handling outdoor survival tasks, this saw is built to make the job simple and fast. It works as a reliable tree saw, limb saw, garden saw, and curved pruning saw, making it perfect for camping, bushcraft, hiking, and other outdoor adventures. Instead of carrying bulky cutting tools, you can keep this compact folding saw in your backpack and always have a dependable cutting tool ready when needed. The premium triple cut high carbon steel blade is designed for powerful cutting performance. With 7 teeth per inch and razor sharp edges, the blade cuts quickly through dry wood, green branches, limbs, and small logs. When you're camping, speed and efficiency matter, especially when preparing firewood before dark or clearing branches around a tent area. This saw delivers smooth and aggressive cutting action without requiring too much effort, helping you save both time and energy during outdoor work. Its heavy-duty folding construction also makes it ideal for rough camping conditions. Whether you're deep in the woods, hiking mountain trails, or enjoying a weekend campsite, this saw is built to handle demanding outdoor use. The rugged design feels solid and reliable in your hand, giving you confidence while cutting thicker branches and firewood. Unlike flimsy tools that wear out quickly, this folding saw is made for repeated outdoor use and dependable performance in different environments. Comfort is another important feature, especially during longer camping trips. The ergonomic non-slip handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, helping reduce hand fatigue while cutting. Even when your hands are sweaty or you're working in colder outdoor conditions, the handle stays steady and easy to control. That extra comfort and grip make cutting safer, smoother, and much more efficient during camping and bushcraft tasks. One of the biggest advantages is the compact folding design. After use, the saw folds down into a lightweight size that easily fits into a camping backpack, survival kit, tool bag, or hiking gear. It doesn't take up much space, yet it's always ready when you need to cut branches, prepare firewood, or handle emergency outdoor situations. For campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want a strong, portable, and easy-to-carry cutting tool, this folding pruning saw is a smart and reliable choice for every adventure. Hit subscribe like your camping saw finally stopped getting stuck halfway through the branch. Number 2. Best overall. Rexbeti folding saw. When you're out camping, the last thing you want is a weak saw slowing you down while you're trying to cut firewood or clear branches around your campsite. That's why this folding camping saw is such a useful tool to carry on every outdoor trip. It's strong, lightweight, and designed to make camping work much faster and easier. The saw measures nearly 28 inches when fully open, giving you the power and reach needed for serious cutting tasks around camp. But when you're done, it folds down to just 14 inches, so it fits easily into your backpack or camping gear without taking up much space. Since it weighs only 14.5 ounces, carrying it on long hikes or backpacking trips feels effortless. Built with durable, hardened SK5 steel, the blade is made for efficient cutting during camping, survival trips, bushcraft activities, and outdoor adventures. Whether you need firewood for the night, branches for a shelter, or trail clearing during a hike, this saw handles the job smoothly. The heavy-duty 14-inch blade works much faster than regular hand saws. In fact, the cutting speed is around 5 times faster than that of normal-sized saws, helping you save time and energy while outdoors. It's especially ideal for cutting branches between 7 and 10 inches thick, making it perfect for campsite preparation and wood gathering. What really makes the saw stand out is its aggressive, staggered teeth design. Featuring 5.5 teeth per inch with 4 cutting angles, The blade cuts through thick branches with less effort and smoother motion. Instead of struggling with every cut, you get fast, sharp, and clean sawing performance. Comfort is also important during camping trips, especially when working for longer periods. The 8-inch rubber-coated polymer handle provides a strong and comfortable grip in both dry and wet conditions. Whether you're camping in cold weather, rain, or rough outdoor environments, the handle helps you stay in control while cutting safely and comfortably. Before choosing, make sure to select the right size for your camping needs. And if the size doesn't work for you, it can easily be exchanged for another option. By the way, which of these camping saws would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1, our pick, Lagom folding camp saw. Ever picked up a tool that instantly felt dependable? The kind of tool that doesn't try too hard to impress you, but quietly proves itself the moment you put it to work? That's exactly the feeling this folding hand saw brings. Built for real outdoor tasks and everyday cutting jobs, it's more than just another piece of gear tossed into your toolbox. It's the kind of tool you reach for when the branches are thick, the brush is stubborn, and the work actually matters. Made from high-carbon steel, this blade is designed to handle serious cutting without losing its edge. Whether you're slicing through dense wood, trimming heavy tree limbs, or clearing overgrown branches in the backyard, it cuts with confidence and control. Every stroke feels smooth and purposeful, helping you work faster without fighting the tool in your hand. It's strong enough for the outdoors, yet practical enough for everyday garden work. In a world where everything feels rushed, this folding hand saw almost slows you down in a good way. Made in Taiwan with attention to detail, it reminds you that good tools are built to last, not just to look flashy. Maybe you're out camping early in the morning, gathering wood while the air is still cold and quiet. Or maybe you're in your garden trimming branches after a long day. Either way, it turns simple work into something satisfying. Safety matters too, especially when working outdoors or climbing around trees and brush. That's why the saw features a 3-gear locking system that keeps the blade firmly in place while you work and securely fold it away when you're done. You don't have to second guess whether the blade will shift or close unexpectedly. It stays exactly where it should, giving you more confidence with every cut. What makes this mini cutter even more useful is how portable it is. It's lightweight, foldable, and compact enough to carry almost anywhere. Toss it into your camping bag, keep it in the glove box, or slide it into your gardening kit. Even though it's small, it handles demanding jobs surprisingly well. From bushcraft trails to backyard cleanup, it's always ready when work shows up. The design also focuses on comfort. The handle was shaped to feel natural in your hand, soft where it needs to be, and sturdy where it counts. Long cutting sessions feel easier, and your grip stays secure while pruning, shaping, or trimming. Add in the non-stick coating and chip clearing blade design, and you get smoother cuts with fewer snags and less drag through dense wood. This folding saw has already earned the trust of gardeners, campers, makers, and outdoor enthusiasts because it simply works. It doesn't need flashy gimmicks or loud promises. It's reliable, practical, and built for people who appreciate tools that quietly do their job well. And honestly, it even makes a thoughtful gift. Whether for a weekend camper, a gardening enthusiast, or someone building their first survival kit, it arrives ready to impress. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.